Hello crafty people, I'm the Craftacular Creator and today I have a card that's got heart, harmony and a whole lot of singing potential. Now, I'm going to say a number. Some of you will hear it just as a number, but others, you'll know what's coming. So here we go. 525,600 minutes. Yep. How do you measure a year in the life? If that song is already stuck in your head, welcome, you're in the right place. Today I'm making a musical Z-fold card inspired by the song Seasons of Love from the musical Rent. We've got Copic colouring, stamps from Lawnfawn, die cutting and a big old dose of musical nostalgia. So if you're ready to measure your crafting in moments of love, let's go. Before we jump in, this is your reminder to get clicky for Vicki. Tap that like button, drop a comment, maybe share this video with a friend who sings while they craft, and ring the bell if you want more crafty musical chaos from yours truly. For this project I used Lawnfawn Henry's Builder Sentiment Winter, Bunny Puns and Spring, Tree Before and Afters, white wood grain cardstock, and I swapped out the black licorice cardstock for wood grain cardstock in light brown. Let's start with some trees, shall we? I'm using the Tree Before and After stamp set from Lawnfawn here. It shows the same tree through all 4 seasons, perfect for a Seasons of Love theme. I stamped them with Memento Tuxedo black ink on Nina Classic Crest Solar White cardstock because that's my go-to combo for Copic colouring. My Copic colouring swatch list is on the screen. I like to keep things simple. I start with my darkest shade, then blend out with a lighter one. This way you get the depth without the stress. In daylights, in sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee. Oh yes, I'm still singing, well, speaking the words, and you probably are too. Once coloured, I used the coordinating dies to cut out the trees. That part I did off camera to save you the hum of the die machine. Now it's time to build our card base. I'm using Lawnfawn chocolate bar cardstock cut to 7 inches by 10 inches and then I scored it at 5 inches and 2.5 inches. This creates our Z fold. I fold along the score lines and burnish with a Teflon bone folder to create that crisp edge. Here you will see panels of white wood grain textured cardstock. This is going to be like a stage backdrop for our trees. Now for the part that makes this card sing, literally. I die cut the numbers 525600 using Lawnfawn's Henry's ABCs. That's right, 525,600. I arranged them on a grid to get that perfect spacing, secured them with a low tack tape and then glued them onto the white wood grain panel using liquid glue. Below that, I stamped the word minutes to complete the lyric. 525,600 moments so dear. Can't help it, it's just too catchy. To make sure everything is aligned, I use a corner guide to attach the panel to the card base. For the inside sentiment, I closed the card and marked where it needed to land. I used the stamp positioner off screen for most of the stamping, but for the letter S at the end of seasons, I went in with a small acrylic block. Then I laid out my trees. I have spring, summer, autumn and winter, each one a season of love. I did use repositional tape to plan it all out first, and then here you can see me gluing them down with liquid adhesive. To finish, I added some hearts cut from guava cardstock. I scattered them randomly across the card, you know, that very intentional kind of random. Tell me in the comments, do you actually scatter randomly, or do you plan the chaos like me? Okay, let's pull the card out and see the full Z card layout. See how beautifully it opens up? Z folds are amazing for larger cards. They give you the space without feeling overwhelmed by it all. And here is the final look at my Seasons of Love card. This was inspired by Craft Roulette episode 266, and here's how it checks all of the boxes. A7 card, check. Floral wreath inspired colour palette, check. Song lyric, absolutely. And theme, Cinco. We've got 5 hearts and 2 5s in the sentiment. Also, seasoned crafters may recognise the name Gina Kay. They have had amazing guests on Craft Roulette, so if you haven't joined in the fun, what are you waiting for? It's a Friday night crafting game show with surprise parameters and so much fun. I'll pop a slide here with more info. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this project and found yourself singing even once, then please get clicky with Vicki. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, I'm the Craftacular Creator, reminding you to keep crafting, keep singing, and measure your life in love.